Are you tired of the monotonous routine of your 9-to-5 job? Do you dream of a career that offers flexibility, freedom, and the chance to work from anywhere in the world? Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced professional looking to transition into the world of freelancing, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to help you get started. In recent years, there has been a significant shift in the way we work. The rise of remote work and the gig economy has opened up new possibilities for individuals seeking flexible and location-independent careers. Freelancing has emerged as a fantastic opportunity for those who want to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 work schedule and enjoy the freedom to work at their own pace, while still contributing their skills and expertise to businesses worldwide. Digital marketing is one of the most sought-after freelancing skills today. Additionally, gaining practical experience through internships or part-time roles can help you build a solid foundation for a successful freelancing journey. Web development is another freelancing skill that is in consistently high demand. Businesses of all sizes need skilled web developers to build, maintain, and improve their websites. From designing user-friendly interfaces to ensuring seamless functionality, web developers play a crucial role in creating online experiences that drive business objectives. You can also gain experience by assisting project managers in your current workplace, or by taking on small projects in your personal life. If you have an interest in coding and web design, then a career as a freelance web developer might be worth considering. With the proliferation of online content, the demand for skilled content writers has never been greater. From creating eye-catching logos and branding materials to designing websites and marketing collateral, graphic designers play a vital role in helping businesses communicate their message visually. Building a strong portfolio that showcases your design skills and creativity is essential for attracting potential clients. If you have an eye for design and a passion for creating visual content, then a career in graphic design freelancing could be the right choice for you. These courses provide a structured learning experience and often include practical exercises and real-world examples. Another option is to attend freelancing boot camps. These intensive programs provide focused training and mentorship to help you develop the necessary skills to launch a successful freelancing career. Building connections with other freelancers and potential clients is crucial for finding work and growing your business. Attend industry events, join online communities, and reach out to individuals in your network for opportunities. DAO management. As a freelancer, you'll be responsible for managing your own workload and meeting deadlines. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your freelancing journey. Develop strong time management skills to stay organized, prioritize tasks, and deliver projects on time. Consider using tools like calendars, to-do lists, and time tracking software to help you manage your time effectively. Finally, building a strong portfolio is crucial for showcasing your skills and experience to potential clients. Create a website or use platforms like Behance or Dribbble to display your work and attract potential customers. Businesses across various industries need engaging and informative content to connect with their target audiences. Content writers are responsible for creating a wide range of written materials, including articles, blog posts, website copy, and social media captions. If you have a passion for writing and a flair for creating compelling stories, then a career in content writing freelancing might be perfect for you. In the competitive world of remote work, it's essential to market yourself effectively to attract clients. Create a strong online presence by building a professional website and actively promoting your services on social media platforms. Consider offering competitive rates for your first few projects to build your reputation and generate positive reviews, which can lead to more opportunities. As businesses increasingly recognize the importance of having a strong online presence, the demand for skilled digital marketers continues to grow. Remember, freelancing offers a unique opportunity to break free from the traditional work constraints and embrace a more flexible and fulfilling career. You can also start your own blog or contribute guest posts to established websites to gain experience and build your portfolio. Digital marketing encompasses various aspects, including search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, and content marketing. Project management is a highly sought-after freelancing skill, particularly in the remote work environment. There are several resources available to help you on your freelancing journey. As more teams adopt agile and flexible working arrangements, the need for skilled project managers who can effectively plan, organize, and execute projects increases. Project managers are responsible for overseeing all aspects of a project, including setting timelines, allocating resources, and ensuring that projects are completed on time and within budget. If you have strong organizational and communication skills and enjoy coordinating efforts to achieve common goals, then project management freelancing could be a great fit for you. If you have a knack for creating engaging content, managing social media campaigns, and optimizing websites for search engines, then a career in digital marketing freelancing could be perfect for you. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. According to a recent report by Statista, the global freelancing market size is projected to reach over $866 billion by 2027. Growing at a compound annual growth rate of 14.7%, this growth can be attributed to several factors, including the increasing popularity of remote work, the need for specialized skills, and the cost-effectiveness of hiring freelancers compared to traditional employees. Building a portfolio of your web development projects can help showcase your skills and attract potential clients. If so, freelancing might be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll delve into the top 5 freelancing skills that are not only in high demand, but also offer the potential for lucrative opportunities. Let's explore each one in detail. The rise of remote work and freelancing. This increasing demand for skilled freelancers has led to a surge in activity on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. Understanding the demand for freelancing skills. To thrive in the freelancing world, it's crucial to understand the specific skills that are in high demand. By focusing on developing these skills, you can position yourself for success and increase your earning potential. So what are the top 5 freelancing skills that are currently in the highest demand? 1. Digital marketing. To develop your digital marketing skills, you can enroll in online courses offered by platforms such as Google Digital Garage or HubSpot Academy. 2. Web development. To get started, you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other relevant programming languages through online tutorials or coding bootcamps. 3. Project management. To develop your project management skills, you can pursue certifications such as the Project Management Professional or Agile Certified Practitioner. For content writing, to hone your content writing skills, you can take courses on creative writing or content writing through platforms like Coursera or Skillshare. 5. Graphic design. Graphic design is another freelancing skill that is in constant demand. To develop your graphic design skills, you can enroll in courses offered by institutions like Canva Design School or the Graphic Design Institute of Australia. Developing your freelancing skills. Now that you're aware of the top 5 freelancing skills in demand, it's time to take action and start developing your skills. One option is to enroll in online courses or certifications offered by platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare. Now let's discuss some essential tips for success in the remote freelancing world. Networking. Marketing yourself. We have come to the end of our video on the top 5 freelancing skills that are in the highest demand. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.